Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Kapil Joshi Tutorials. I'm here to make all the videos related to the programming skills and I upload new videos for you. So hit that subscribe button and let's get started. So today we will discuss about math command. So in this slide we will discuss about math commands in Python, particularly using the built-in math module. Here is a detailed breakdown of what is covered. It means math command. Math command has some kind of capability where Python has built-in math functions, also called commands here, that help you perform mathematical calculation very easily. To use these math commands in a Python program, we can typically write from we can typically write from math import asterisk sign. So this imports all function and constant from Python's math module. So Python function table, as you can see, all functions are described here. So command description, ABS, value, it returns the absolute value. That is, it removes the negative sign, if any. Sally, value, rounds up to the nearest whole number. Example, Sally, 3.2. And cos value, it returns the cosine of the value in radians. The floor value, it means it rounds down the nearest whole number. For example, floor 3.8 is equal to the three numbers. Log value, it returns the natural logarithms, that is called base. And log 10 value, it returns the logarithm with base 10. Apart from this, max value 1 and value 2, generally it returns the larger of the two values. Mean, value 1, value 2, it returns the smaller of two values. Round value, it rounds the nearest whole number, whereas sign value returns the sign of the value in terms of all radians. At last, squared, that is value, it returns the square root of the value. So where we have covered entire details. So as you can see, called function. And then constant. If you are talking about constant also in math module like E 2.7182818, that is the base of natural logarithms, and pi 3.1415926, that is the constant value. In next slide we are talking about the actual numbers in the form of floating point. So this slide explains how floating point number works in Python and how we can convert between integers and float. So we are talking about the numbers floating point. Int x. It converts x to an integer, removes any decimal part. For example, Python code int 2.0, and then it converts x to the floating point number, adds zero point 0 to an integer. Python interpreter behavior. When we just type a floating value in the Python shell like 1.23232, so Python may show many digits due to how numbers are stored internally in binary. So when we print the number using print, so it shows only a user-friendly rounded values. And we are taking an just another example, 1.23232. So it just shows the internal representation and human readable values in the form of all input data. So exponential, that is called the scientific notations. Basically, Python allows us to use scientific notations like 1.3 E7. It means 13000000.0. That is called 1.3 E7 means 1.3 into 10 to the power 7. So this is a float, not an integer. So we are summarizing the slide. Python expression output explanation, that is 1.23232 and 1.23232 00000000. It means full precisions like interpreter or output print, that rounded display output with the scientific notations. So here int 2.0, that 2 converts float to int, and float to 2.0 converts into float. So I hope you understood all those concepts of expression and floating point. So I hope you like my video. If you like it, please comment into the section and like with all the comments, and please share this video also. So thanks for watching it.